In this video, we will show you how to recover unsaved and lost PowerPoint presentations. If your computer crashes or you accidentally close your PowerPoint without saving, these simple steps will help you to recover your important work. So, without wasting much time, let's start the video. For that, first open PowerPoint. Here we have one option as a file. Click on it. Go to Open option. Scroll down a little bit. At the bottom, you have one option as a Recover Unsaved PowerPoint Presentations. So click on it. Here you can find all the presentations that you have created but you don't saved or accidentally it got closed. So whatever you want, just click on it and open it. So see friends, we have recovered our accidentally closed PowerPoint presentation. So if you want to save it, you can directly save it from here also, or else just press Ctrl S for saving it and click on this Save As button, and you are able to save this presentation wherever you want. So hope this video is helpful to you. If yes, please share this video with your friend and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching the video.